Did you want to find a stock that is a great hedge against the coming recession? Did you want to find a penny stock that is at a great value, that has a huge potential to increase your money? Well, you've come to the right video. Today, we are going to be talking about gold mining. Its ticker symbol is GLDG on the NASDAQ US trading market. It is also available on the Toronto Exchange as GOLD as gold. But this is an incredible company that we will be talking about that has great future potential. I think you should definitely put it on your watch list, and this is going to be a great informative video for you today. Welcome to the Stock Martin channel. My name is Martin, and we are going to get into this video, but before we do, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on the video. Also, make sure to share this page, share this video with others so we can share the wealth and get this great potential stock that can earn us multiples on our money. But today I did want to talk to you in transition about this company, GoldMining. GoldMining is the ticker symbol, again, is GLDG. That is on the American NASDAQ. It is also traded on the Toronto Stock Exchange as GOLD. I am going to be talking about this company using their corporate presentation. We are going to be talking about technical analysis. We're also going to be talking about the CEO. He has been around for quite some time. The CEO of GoldMining is Admir Adnani. The reason why I wanted to talk about him is he is a very accomplished CEO. He is not only the CEO of GoldMining, he is also leading the company Uranium Royalty Corp. So both of these companies has been doing astonishingly well. So it's very important to know that he is accomplished, and this is a very good company and a very good stock potential to get into to make some very nice growth into your money. So before getting into gold mining and this company, I did just want to give you a brief overview of why I believe that gold is a great hedge fund against inflation and recession, especially when the economy is not doing good. First of all, let me show you this chart that does look at the gold reserves. These are the global gold reserves are on the decline. There's a severe reserve crisis in this sector. This graph does a very good job of showing the total gold reserves in select companies over time. As you can see that the gold production has been increasing, but has actually peaked out in the year 2011 and 2012 and has steadily been on the decline. But you see that we are at all-time lows right now in the gold reserves in the world. Now, if we do look at gold being a good hedge fund, this is a great graph that actually shows us that gold is a wonderful hedge fund against inflation and a very highly market volatility. So as we can see in this .com recession, this does compare the S&P 500 against gold. As you can see in this chart, once 2000 hit and the .com recession did happen, the S&P 500 is on a downward trend. But if you do compare that to gold, gold has actually been going up and has actually been beating the S&P 500. Hence, it is a very good hedge fund against a very volatile market, against inflation. I did just want to show you another example of the Great Recession. Again, the Great Recession happened between the year December 2007 and 2009. When we do compare the S&P 500 and gold, you can see that the S&P 500 was crashing. This is the 2008 housing crash that we had. Look at how low the S&P have been crashing, but look to see what the gold has been doing as a hedge. It has actually been increasing and beating the S&P 500. So this is a big reason what I wanted to show you, that I do believe gold is a great hedge fund against recession and high inflation. Now, that being said, the gold mining stock, the GLDG on the NASDAQ, has incredible growth potential. And let's just look at its undervalued portfolio. As you can see, GoldMining has a current market cap value of 130 million. So it is a very small cap company and it has huge growth potential. As you can see, when we do compare it against its peers, they do have a larger market cap of $850 million. These are the companies that it is competing against. However, we can see that we have incredible in value initiatives. We have incredible undervalued portfolio that does give us a very incredible opportunity to make incredible amount of money. Now, this company does have a very big key shareholders. Look at these big companies, these incredible valued companies that own GoldMining. BlackRock is one of the biggest companies out there that does have a very nice diverse portfolio to increase money. They are invested in GoldMining, GLDG, Oppenheimer Holdings, just to name a few. They have very big reviews on this. As you can see, they do have a lot of cash on hand. They are also traded on the Toronto Stock Exchange as GOLD, also on the NASDAQ in the United States as GLDG. But they do have some analysts covering. I will be talking about one of the big ones from Wayneworth Company that does give us very nice stock predictions into the future. But before I do, I did just want to show you how the stock of the GLDG has been doing. GLDG is trading at 90 cents on the dollar. It has been undervalued. I do think that it has been at its lowest point right now. It is at its 52-week low right now. It was 86 cents. We are at 90 cents. Look at its 52-week high. That's 52-week high was actually around March of this year, and it actually reached $2.02. But since then, we have been on a huge decline. We have been down more than 55% on this stock. Just for year to date, looking at year to date, we are down 34%. Again, reaching those highs in March, in the beginning of March, but we are at an incredible point right now where we are buying this stock dirt cheap if you do get into this stock. Just looking back in the past 1 month, again, we are down 13%. We have found a base on this stock. I do think that we are trading at the base. We do have found some support on this stock, and it looks like the only way now is to go up on this stock. Again, it is quite volatile. It is a small cap company, which does mean it is going to have a lot of volatility in it. I do believe that we have found the near bottom, if not the bottom. I do believe that it is a great hedge fund. But again, always do your own due diligence. Always do your own research before purchasing this or any other stock. But I did just want to show you a very nice valued company that does have exposure to gold. It also has a great hedge fund against inflation and recession that I do believe we are headed in. But not only this, it is very cheap. It is a dirt cheap stock, and I do think it has some very nice potential of growth into the future. Now, let's look at what the stock analysts have to say about this company, and we will be talking about the main one, which is Wainwright Company. And they have given GoldMining's price target. They do have it as a buy rating. They do think in the next 12 months, it has a potential to go up to $6.25. Also up to $6.50 in that range. I do believe that they have reviewed this in the past. They have reviewed this before in August 30th. At that time, they were giving it a $6 price target. At the time, it was trading at a price of $1.26. That was August 27th, 2021. As you can see, we have since then gone down. So we do have to always take this into consideration. It is a very volatile stock. There is a lot of risk in this stock. However, it does have a very high reward, high risk. So always do your own due diligence. And lastly, I did want to end up with some history to show you how this stock had been doing. Whenever we look back in the pre-pandemic days, as you can see, March 20th, 2020, the stock was actually trading very close to what it is right now. At that time, it was running around 78 cents, ranging anywhere from 78 cents to even over $1. But as you can see with the fears in the market, as you could remember that the pandemic really took a big hit in the economy. We had stocks falling, everything was falling, but look to see what happened with GLDG. It actually went up 142%. Will the history repeat itself? I'm not sure, but we do have an indicator that when the stock market, when the market as a whole is in inflation, is at a big problem, the stock tends to do quite well. As you can see, they did have those big returns of over 142% at the time that the pandemic hit. Will we have something similar? We'll definitely have to see. However, we do know that the stock market is quite volatile right now. We do have a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the stock market. So again, this does offer us a potential hedge fund. So take a look at that GLDG on the NASDAQ Stock Exchange, the US stock market. Also, remember it can be on the Toronto Stock Exchange, is GOLD, gold. So again, thanks for watching. I hope that you did like this video. I hope that you did learn something new. All I ask is that you please give me a big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this page, share this video with others so we can continue to grow the channel, and also to spread the wealth, to spread that information about this great potential stock. But thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you and have a great week.